morning, magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. We have a lot of things that we need to get out, a lot of videos. We have building projects that are ongoing. We have a project right behind me that is going to start here in the next couple of days or so. We had a lot of visitors over the last month. We got to get all these things out, but today we're going to focus on some projects that have been already started, and that's actually house construction. We're going to do some updates. You remember that video that we did on the AAC blocks, our good friend Glenn's house right here in our subdivision. And of course the contractor that's been doing a lot of activity on our site from Curb Being Constructed, his own house. We're going to do an update on that as well. Let's go ahead and get today's episode started. So without further delay, let's get today's video underway. And walk down the street. Let's go to our friend Glenn's house, and what we're going to do, we're going to take a look at where he is at. Now we are a long way, or he is a long way from his AAC block construction. He's got his project is actually moving along pretty good, so let's go ahead and head down that way. Well, awesome. Anyway, Glenn is here. This is the owner right here, and I'm going to ask Glenn to help us walk through. You can see there's been a lot of progress since the last time we came here, because it was only like AAC blocks that were up, but they had to take it back down again, and then they had to add some more. So let's go ahead and walk, and if you can give us an idea on some of the things that have happened since the last time.
I think the last time you were here, James, there wasn't any roof yet.
There was not a roof. I'm pretty sure of that. So now
that's a big thing that's up. The roof and most of the ceiling work's been done as well. The eaves, most of the eaves as well has been put in.
Well, actually, your walls, you can't even tell that they're AAC blocks anymore. It just looks like standard construction now.
That's right. So what you see here are it's a skim coat over the walls. They will be painted over. Yeah.
That's good. It looks like they did a good job. It's nice and smooth. And I like when they put the skim coat up. And when they put the skim coat up and they let it dry for a while, they should let it dry for... A big problem over here is they'll put the skim coat on, and then right away they'll put like the base layer of the paint. And then what happens, especially during a wetter season, this will retain moisture, and then you'll get bubbling, and then you'll have problems. But it's good that this has been, because I've seen it's been up with the skim coat for a while here. They've already done so it looks like it's pretty stable. Which way you want to walk in?
We can go through
this side.
This way.
Okay.
And
I see you did for like wheelchair access. That was really good planning.
That's right. This will be
not that you're old. You're definitely not old. Or for our parents and things like that.
My parents will be here, staying here mostly, so it'll be good for them.
Okay.
To have. So this is a porch area. This will be the main door.
This will be the main. Okay.
It's a bit of work happening, it's a bit of noise.
Oh, look, there's a lot done inside here since the last time we came here. Oh, you got the PVC, I like that for the roofing. That's very nice.
It's a bit dirty at the moment. That's from all the...
Well, of course. Okay, wow. Look like a lot has come along since the last time we were here. All the walls are pretty much in place. They are in place.
So this is the kitchen area.
Okay.
There will be some built-in cabinets here, L-shaped cabinets, and a kitchen island in the middle.
Kitchen island here in the middle.
Just here.
And this space right here, is this pantry space?
This is a pantry space.
This pantry space, okay.
So, still a bit of work.
Oh yeah. I like the high ceiling. Very nice inside. It's going to give a real open, spacious feeling inside here. Oh, they're already starting to put tile down over here. Yeah.
And they've got some tiles ready.
Oh, you got the tiles for the lanai, the porch out here, the patio. Oh, I like the selection. The lighter color. but it does have a little bit of a natural
texture.
and it's really non-slip.
No.
That's good. You really need that for these outdoor areas, but pretty much anywhere. I really like the non-shiny, non-slippery kind of stuff. It's good.
And you'll notice here we have yet to lay the flooring for the kitchen area, so we run out of pebbles.
Oh, okay.
So what will happen with the floor is they will eventually polish this.
Well, this is going to be polished concrete.
This is going to be polished concrete.
Okay.
And what I'm hoping will happen is that after they polish it, the pebbles will reveal themselves and we'll end up with some sort of a pattern, stones and gravel.
Well, we'll definitely do a follow-up because a lot of people aren't really familiar, and we haven't really talked about polished concrete on our channel. Most of our finishes are some type of a tile.
Yes.
Well, pretty much all. I think everything on there is all been tile. So that's cool. Oh, listen, did we walk back here? Oh, we didn't walk back in this little space. This space here, because I remember there was a modification that was done to one of the beams inside here.
Oh, that's right.
We'll start inside here. I remember. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. Yeah. Or it's up above. It's up above.
No, it's all gone.
It's all gone. Okay. Yeah, because it was like a kind of a gaudy beam that was sticking inside here and just didn't make any sense. And this room is, what is this room? I forgot what this room is.
This is just one of the bedrooms.
Oh, it's a bedroom.
The way I'm thinking this will work is that there are two doors. A door right here you can close and then keep the bathroom accessible to the guests.
Okay.
And if you want to turn it into like sort of ensuite, you can close this door right here and then have the bathroom to yourself. So there's a second door here.
Okay. For privacy.
For privacy.
Very nice. Very nice. Nice architectural feature that you've got right there. The openness. It gives additional open feeling inside. Good.
Bedrooms here, a big bathroom in the middle.
Okay.
There will be a feature wall up here of wood, so wood slats, and an entrance here, an arched entrance into the bedrooms.
Okay, so which is the master? Which is going to be the biggest? They're about the same.
They're about the same.
Okay. All right. Well, that's nice.
Yeah. So we'll have.
Wow, that's a big window. That's nice.
It's going to be a big window. There'll be a transom, fixed glass at the top,
okay,
and louvered windows at the. I guess if two-thirds of the opening will be louvered windows. Same for these.
For these?
Here.
Okay.
And then on the left we'll have built-in cabinets.
All right, over here. All right, built-in cabinets. All right, so let's look at the other bedroom. And you said they're about the same, right?
They're exactly the same.
Oh, they're mirrored. So they're mirrored
exactly
one side to the other. So if you've seen one, you've seen the other one. We don't really have to go too much in detail inside here. And it's going to depend on whether you like the morning light or whether you like the evening light. Because the morning light's going to come from that side. And then the evening will be on this side right here. Wow. Okay. And then you have the bathroom. You said, oh yeah, this is a nice size. This is a nice size bathroom. Oh, and you already got some tile up inside here. Well, if you really want to see the AAC block before they really do anything, there you go right there. So let's see. Shower over here. And then, what's the sink? Sink area? Vanity?
Yeah, vanity. These will be LED lights.
Okay.
Same for that side.
All the way around? Recessed? Okay.
So tiles, this style of tile on these two walls here.
Yeah.
And there'll be a different style of tiles here. The subway white tiles.
Oh, that'd be nice. Okay. All right. Well, we got this there. All right. So we're going to step over here. This is going to be like your barbecue. It'll be like a dirty kitchen. Dirty kitchen back here. Okay.
There'll be an extra sink.
Okay.
Space for the washing.
Again, I like the same tile that's on the other side. Very nice. Again, the PVC ceiling.
Okay. That's going to be a sliding door, by the way.
This will be a sliding door?
Sliding glass, all glass.
Okay.
Same with the other side.
Okay.
To the lanai. So all glass.
Do a walk around a little bit from the outside to see what it looks like from the last time we were here. Because last time they were just installing the AAC blocks. It was very early in the viewing of what was going on here. Awesome. So what we'll do, we'll come back the next time, and one of the big things is the polished concrete floor. I really want to see what that looks like with the rest of what's going on here. What's the projected completion time? What are they telling you now?
So they poured the concrete with the pebbles a few days ago. I understand it takes about 2 weeks for it to cure before it's safe to grind. Otherwise, the pebbles could come out as they're grinding. So yeah, I guess minimum 2 weeks.
For that's for the concrete, for them to do the polishing. But what is the estimated completion time of the entire project?
Oh, the entire project.
What do you think?
I am going with end of March.
End of March. Oh.
End of March.
Oh, that's pretty quick. That's only.
Oh well.
That's like 6 weeks away.
That's very optimistic.
That's very. We'll see.
Pushing it.
We'll see. Well then we'll probably have 2 videos, pretty much back to back really quick. If you do that in 2 weeks. Then about 30 days after that, most everything will be done. Now, what about landscaping? What's your plans for landscaping?
Well, I've had a few things in mind, but I'm thinking of keeping it simple in the beginning and just let my clients develop it slowly. I forgot to mention, like the cabinets, they've all been done. They've been done off-site. So just the hope is, once the flooring is ready, they'll just come in and just stick it in and
Cabinets won't take long, because when they do the fabrication, prefabrication outside, it's just a matter of mostly mounting, getting everything square, making sure the hinges are working properly and things like that.
Same with the windows as well. They're doing it all outside.
Pretty much the windows also. That's really like a two-day project when they do the doors and windows. And we'll see. All right, man. Okay. Thanks a lot.
No worries. Thanks, Jay.
Well, there you have it. That's the update on this house. So we're going to go from here. We're going to walk over to Romeo Nosete. That's the contractor for Caribbean Construction, who's building his own place, only a couple streets over. All right, here we are at the construction of Romeo's own house, the contractor that's building a lot of houses inside here. But this is his own. And remember, the difference between this one and the one that we just came from, Glenn's house, is this one is being built with form board construction, basically meaning the exterior that you see right now, that was the formwork that stays in place. And we're going to go inside, but the nice thing about that is the construction of the walls goes up very fast, and the board stays. It doesn't get removed. It's actually a cementuous type of a board, and it's very easy to finish after that, saving time and being an integral part of the solid wall construction. Now from this corner of the house you can see the carport, two-car carport that they have over here, and underneath the carport itself, if I remember correctly, is the cistern. They have about a 30 cubic meter cistern to provide all the water that they'll need that will not be coming from the subdivision, and this will be from the drainage. All the water that comes off the roof will go down inside the cistern, providing for irrigation if they need water to fill the toilets and things like that. And over here is the entranceway. This will be the entranceway into the house. Let's go ahead and go in through the entranceway. Now, I remember the last time we were here, they were actually getting ready to pour the concrete that goes inside the form boards here, right in this area right here. They've already done 1, 2, this is their 3rd level up here. So you can see they've gotten quite a bit accomplished since the last time we were here. Let's go ahead and take a look a little bit on the surface of the form board construction. This is very, very fine. You see, once you clean this off, this is going to be very easy. So you don't need to put the different types of coats. You do no plaster coat on here with the mortar type mixture that you would normally do on the top of concrete hollow blocks. So this will make for a much faster finishing, saving time and saving money for builds using this type of technique. Since there's so much of the scaffolding up inside here, we're not going to go room for room. I just wanted to show you the wall texture basically. We'll come back, once they remove all of this, we'll come back and we'll do a room by room viewing so we can see which room is a bedroom, bathrooms, kitchen, all of that. Now I'm going to assume this is the lanai on the back. It will have a covering that goes over top. And this is quite a nice size lanai on the back with what I am predicting is going to be the dirty kitchen right here, because they've already got the facilities, the plumbing already connected inside here, electrical on both sides. So this is going to be really nice. So I'm going to guess that on the other side of that is going to be the kitchen, because that's normally what you would do. You would share the plumbing from one side. And you have the windows right here, so maybe they could even pass stuff through the windows. I don't know. And this is what it looks like from the back of the house right here. There you have it for today. The updates on the 2 of the 3 houses that we're covering in our new home build series. We are going to do a follow-up on the bigger house that's over in Barangay Mabini in the next few days. We'll do a nice overview. I hear there's been a lot of progress on that one as well. And expected when you see the work that Romeo Nosete from Caribbean Construction does. He really works really quick, brings a lot of people in on a crew, and they're able to move along to where they can do a deliverable as soon as possible to the client. And that is, remember, that house over there, I think it's like 4 times the footprint space that they have. And even though it's a bungalow, it's like 4 times the footprint space of what we have here at Villa Feliz. So it's a really big project. Well, I'm excited about that one. I'm excited about the 2 that went on today. I hope you're getting a good feel of the difference between AAC blocks, the form board construction, and the concrete hollow block construction that we've done in the past. Now, what are we going to be doing here in the future? We have some really great projects that are coming up. We have some carpentry projects that are coming up. Both items that I'm going to be doing myself, they're kind of unique projects that I think I've never seen anybody else do before. We'll see how those come out. Plus, we have a carpenter coming in to do a few items that the builder didn't do at the end of the build here back in 2017. So we're going to finalize on things like that. We've also got some other exciting things in the basement to share with you. So hopefully you'll hang around for those projects as well. Well, we're going to close right here and now. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please share. And if you have not subscribed, just click on the little My PI Dream heart. In the bottom right hand side of your screen, you'll be subscribed, and if you ring that bell, you'll be notified the next time I upload a new video. So until such time from right here in the very beautiful Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you're interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.